Hello everyone and welcome. This is Shalini. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see a quick 5-minute makeup tutorial with just 5 products. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the Nykaa Conceal and Correct palette. This is of shade Deep. I'm taking the lighter shade to conceal my under eyes, and I will also use this over my eyelids and around my mouth where I have hyperpigmentation. Now I'll be using the PAC 003 brush to blend the concealer. This is an all-in-one brush which I usually use. It is for multi-purpose use where you can use it to apply concealer, foundation, powder, anything. Next I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Lip and Cheek Cream. So this is of shade Berrylicious. I'm applying a little quantity over my cheeks and also over my eyelids. Again, I'll use the same brush to blend the tint cream across my face. This is a lovely shade, as you can see, for daily use. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact of shade Sun Beige. I'll use the puff provided in the compact to set the powder across my face. And then again, I'll use this brush to set the makeup all over my face. For lipstick, I'll be using the K-Beauty Lip Crayon. And for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So this is the completed look. This took less than 5 minutes for me. And these are the 5 products which I used. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and the subscribe button. Have a great day ahead and thank you for watching.